So this is an update, shitbox fixes update with my car. And lately my car is experiencing a lot of issues. One of those issues that I can fix myself was the high idle, around 1,200 to 1,400. And we tried cleaning the throttle body and the IACV with my buddy Vaughn. It was indeed really dirty, and after putting it back together, the issue is still there, but they said it could be that ECU will have to relearn because it's already cleaned. That's why you won't feel the fix right away. And I did that, waited. They said when it hits the normal operating temperature it should be okay, but still haven't. They also said that if you just have to run it for a few kilometers, and it still didn't work. So they suggested a lot of things like adjusting the throttle cable idle stopper or idle screw, and also the IACV, adjust that part which affects also the idle. But for me, I didn't do that yet because those were the parts that were not touched or adjusted before, and it was okay until it got dirty, the throttle body. So it must not be those things, so you shouldn't be touching those things. So my friend, so my buddy Lance suggested to do an ECU reset and see if that could fix the problem. And earlier this dawn, around 3 a.m., since I can't sleep thinking of the problem that my car's been experiencing lately, I felt like doing the DIY stuff, so I did that, and here's the update. So I finished resetting the ECU. Thank you, bro Lance, for the tip, and surprisingly it worked. And I'll show you the idle so you can see what I mean. And right now it's above 1. So yeah, earlier you can see that it's above 1,000 even right now, but that's because of the cold start. But once it hits the operating temperature, it goes down. So as you can see, it's already below 1,000 when the temperature is already close to the operating temperature, and that's even with the aircon on. So let's turn off the aircon, and yeah, it will go down, lul. But yeah, it's going down, so you can see. So that means cleaning the resetting the ECU worked, and restored my idle after cleaning the throttle body. So we took the throttle body out and cleaned it. Also the IACV, cleaned the IACV. It's really dirty, and after that the idle is still not normal. It's still not below 1,000, but after resetting the ECU, it did work. So again, thank you, bro Lance, for the tip. And the next one, what we're doing here is, next thing that I'm doing is replacing the condenser fan to a high-speed one, because for some reason it started to slow down. But yeah, when I placed the new fan, which is the high-speed one, it's still slow. So I don't know if I have like a current or low voltage issue. What I'm planning is to direct the power source to the battery and see if it's still slow, and hopefully that works. And by the way, The new fan has a different fitting or frame from my stock one. I'm not sure why, but I'm still able to manage to fit that, because I'm not gonna pay 3 times more from what I have, from how much I got this one. So there you go. The ECU reset finally worked. I'm so happy that that problem is already solved. Thank you so much, bro Lance. You figured it out. Thank you for helping me out. And regarding the condenser fan, it just sucks that I have to buy another one. It turned out to be just the could be the voltage issue from the power source. That's something that I have to figure out. So I gotta admit, I'm still worried and sad about that one. That's another thing. If I can figure it out, probably get my trusted electrician to fix or find the issue. Hopefully that will be resolved as well. But yeah, lesson for this issue is when your mechanic or someone will tell you that that part is a problem, you have to replace that one. Don't replace it yet. Don't buy another one yet. Make sure that that part is indeed faulty by finding another ways to test it. So what I did is I connected it directly to the battery, and I was surprised that it's still fast, because it made me sad. Finding out that the new one I bought is really still slow. So I had to check it by connecting it directly to the battery, and it was fast. And I tested my old one, and it's also still fast. So it's the line, the power line, the power source from the condenser fans, the problem. So yeah, do find another way to check it. Don't buy a new part yet, so you won't be like me, that you have to spend another part which you don't have to, and which I'm already broke. Fixing this car for this month is experiencing a lot of problems. So that's it for today. Thank you, and I'll keep you updated from the rest of my journey of having a shitbox car. So if you like these videos, if you like my other videos, my toge videos, other motorsports that I've been doing with this shitbox, then do follow me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's Toge Project. And yeah, like and subscribe. Peace out.